Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, I will be showing and explaining how to find the volume of a pyramid. Okay, as a brief recall, when we say volume, this is the amount of space inside that figure or shape. Volume of a pyramid and volume of a prism have a special relationship. And we will use that special relationship to find the volume of a pyramid. So first, let's recall how to find the volume of a prism. Okay, this is a prism. Bases are congruent and the lateral sides are rectangles. To find the volume of a prism, we just have to get the area of the base. Okay, and then we have to multiply this one by the height of the prism. Okay, how about pyramid? We cannot use the same formula, area of the base times height, because for pyramids, okay, bases are different. So what is then that special relationship of pyramid and prism that we can use to find the volume of a pyramid? Okay, if we will use that special relationship, or if we will consider that special relationship, the pyramid and prism, okay, must have congruent bases and equal height. Okay, let's say this prism and this pyramid have congruent bases and equal height. Okay, imagine we will put this pyramid inside this prism. Since they have congruent bases and equal height, okay, if we will put this pyramid inside this prism, then it will look like this. Okay, the point here is the volume of the prism is bigger than the volume of the pyramid, or the volume of the pyramid is smaller than the volume of the prism. But the question is how big or how small? Since we cannot use this formula, okay, people experimented. They filled the pyramid with water and then they poured this water in a prism. Okay, take note, this pyramid's base and this prism's base are congruent and height are equal. So when they poured this water in this prism, it appeared that the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 the volume of the prism. Okay, we can actually prove this mathematically using the concept of integration. But we don't have a video lesson yet about that topic. So for now, I just want you to remember and understand that the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 the volume of the prism. Okay, again, the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a prism with the same base and height. So now, to get the volume of a pyramid, okay, our formula would be area of the base times height. Okay, take note, this is our formula to get the volume of a prism. And to get the volume of a pyramid, we just have to multiply this one by 1/3. So this is the formula that we will be using to find the volume of a pyramid. Okay, this time, let's give more example by answering this concept check question. For the square pyramid shown in the figure, we are going to fill in the correct numbers. So this is our square pyramid. So we will find this square pyramid or this square pyramid's volume. So first, we have to get the area of the base. Okay, since this is a square, so it's going to be 3 times 3, and that's equal to 9. So 9 square centimeters. Okay, what about the height of this pyramid? That's equal to 4 centimeters. And to get the volume of this pyramid, So 1/3 times, okay, what is the base or the area of the base? It's 9 centimeters or square centimeters. So 9 times 4, that's the height of the pyramid. So if we will simplify, so this is 3. So 1 times 3 times 4, and this is equal to 12. So the volume of this square pyramid is 12 cubic centimeters. Okay, this time, let's answer this problem. We're going to find the volume of this truncated square pyramid with a square base. Okay, so this is our truncated square pyramid. So our strategy to find the volume of this truncated pyramid is, first, we have to get the volume of this bigger pyramid, okay, minus the volume of this smaller pyramid. That is to find the volume of this square or this truncated square pyramid. So first, okay, we are going to get the volume of the bigger pyramid, okay, minus the volume of this smaller pyramid. Okay, let's start with the bigger pyramid. So 1/3, okay, times the area of the base. So since this is a square, so one side is 6 centimeters, so 6 times 6. So that's going to be 36. So times 36, and then the height would be, okay, 10 centimeters. Okay, so if we will simplify, this is 1. Okay, this is 12. So 1 times 12 times 10. Then this is equal to 120. So 120 cubic centimeters for the bigger pyramid. Okay, what about for this smaller pyramid? Okay, so this is 1/3 times the area of the base, so 3 centimeters times 3, that's equal to 9. Okay, times the height would be 5 centimeters. So this is times 5. Okay, simplify. This is 3. So 1 times 3 times 5, then this is equal to 15. So this is 15 cubic centimeters. And finally, to get the volume of this truncated square pyramid, so we have 120 minus 15, then this is equal to 105. So we have 105 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of this truncated pyramid.